After the release of the Realme GT Neo 3, now the brand is working on the upcoming Realme GT Neo 3T smartphone. It will be a toned-down version of the Neo 3, and a successor to the last year's GT Neo 2T. In the newest development of the phone, it has arrived on China's 3C and Geekbench certification websites. The Realme GT Neo 3T carries the model number RMX3372 on both certifications. The device has impressive scores on the Geekbench version 5. It has 979 points in the single-core department, and 3047 points in the multi-core department. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC, which is clocked at a base frequency of 1.80 GHz, and a peak frequency of 3.19 GHz. The device has 8 GB of RAM and runs on the Android 12 version. In addition to this, from the 3C certification, we get to learn that the phone has 11V and 7.3A charging support, which translates to an 80W fast charging speed. This is improved over the predecessor GT Neo 2T, 65W fast charging speed. Apart from this, the phone passed TENAA authority earlier this month. It has a 6.62-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. It features a 16-megapixel Sony IMX471 selfie snapper, and a triple rear camera system. It has a 64-megapixel OmniVision OV64B main lens, an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel tertiary unit. The phone will arrive in 6, 8 or 12 gigs, LPDDR5 RAM, and 128, 256 or 512 gigs, UFS 3.1 storage variants. It will pack a 5000 mAh battery and have a dual speaker setup. As for security, it is expected to have an under-display fingerprint scanner. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.